Hi, this is Josh Varner with Varner Roofing. I'm here today on a roof for a real estate inspection. They had their chimney come back and they're flashing on their inspection report. And so was here today to do a small repair. And this is a great opportunity to talk about what chimney flashing is and what parts of it matter. So let's look here at this chimney. So what we have here is a standard chimney flashing, as you can see. We've got the counter flashing that's exposed. You can see along here on the top, there's no caulk in this line, and that's what flagged the report with the real estate, is there's no caulking here. Now, if you look, there's a whole bunch of caulk here at the bottom. In here in the front, a lot of caulk in the bottom, no caulk on the top. Everything's open on the top. And what's interesting about that is the top of the metal is where the caulking is supposed to go. That's where the sealant's supposed to go. On the bottom, you actually don't want any caulk because that will trap the water that goes in up here from coming out. So this is actually done completely wrong. It's backwards with the way they did that. But it's done that for years. The reason it probably hasn't leaked into the home is because that metal is ground into the brick and set in back pretty far. And they have counter flashing, which is the metal that's underneath of this metal. So what we're gonna do, and they're right to flag this. This does need some attention. So I'm gonna caulk this and take care of it and get it sealed. Now this roof only has a few years left of life in it. I'd say 3 to 5. The front side of the roof where I came over had a bunch of issues. So I'm not going to get too excited about telling them to redo all of this flashing because that's pretty expensive for a roof that's almost done. I believe the caulking we're going to do today will seal it up and get them to the rest of this roof's life. But this is chimney flashing 101. Where to put caulk, where not to put caulk. Have a good day.